Where are we going? We are taking the blue line. We're crossing the intersection. This is the Taipei Dome. And we're going where? It's showtime! What are we doing here? Let's see. We are entering Garden City and going to showtime. What are we watching? Swisky, Sweaty, Sharky. What's for dinner? We have ramen, pork cutlings, kimchi, and soft drinks. But there are 3 and there's only 2. Is that enough for you? Yes!